In a world where everything moves faster, students are expected to write stronger, smarter, and clearer essays, often under pressure. Enter ChatGPT. If you've heard about it but aren't sure how to use it the right way, this guide is for you. This isn't about cutting corners or getting someone else to do the work. This is about using the tool to bring out your best thinking, your best writing, and your voice. Whether you're in high school prepping for college or already juggling multiple classes in college, ChatGPT for Students is a game changer when you use it ethically. This article will show you how to turn ChatGPT into your writing sidekick, not your ghostwriter. You'll build better essays without crossing any academic lines. ChatGPT is part of a bigger shift in how students learn, write, and grow. When used ethically, it becomes your tutor, your guide, and your editor. Not your substitute. Your essays still need your ideas, your research, and your personal take. ChatGPT helps you shape that into something clearer, cleaner, and stronger. This is where ChatGPT for Students makes real impact, not in cutting corners, but in building confidence. And if you're ever unsure how to get started, check out the AI knowledge base over at Google Keith. We're building step-by-step guides, templates, and tips to help students use AI with clarity and integrity. Now go write something powerful. Let ChatGPT help polish it, but let you shine through it. Every single word,